Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today I'm so excited, guys. I finally got my pretty little thing stuff. Guys, listen, this is my first time ordering Pretty Little Thing. I just finished recording a little Valentine's Day video for you guys, and just as I took my wig off, my blue wig, I get a knock on the door, and it's my Pretty Little Thing. Yes, honey. So yes, guys, my birthday is next week, January 24th. You guys won't see this till after my birthday because it's my birthday outfits. So I wanted to order all my birthday outfits from Pretty Little Thing. So I'm hoping that it fits. You guys are getting an unboxing and everything. Like unboxing, first impressions, everything. Pretty Little Thing has been around for so long, but I just never really had faith in them like that, you know. But we gonna try. I got everything in a size 20. So this is how the bag looks. I think that's so cute. Okay, I'm super hyped, y'all. So I'm gonna try on a dress first because I've been fiending. So this is the plus red printed satin long sleeve wrap dress, and it's saying this is a UX 2X, which is a 18. Well, I got a 20, so I don't know. But I'm gonna leave the picture of the model somewhere here. It looks pretty good. Oh wait, I don't know about this, but yeah, this is the dress, guys. I've been fiending for this dress. I wanted to wear this for my birthday picture, so we're gonna see how it looks. It was DHL. What the fuck is this? So I don't know if this is supposed to go with it. Please do not remove this unless you are satisfied. Returns will not be accepted if this tag is removed. They do all that. They crazy. But yeah, guys, this is the dress. You guys will see pictures. This is top and some leggings, and this is, it's basically really cute. I wanted to wear this on like a chill day for my birthday. I might send that dress back, I'm not sure. But yeah, the tops look like it's gonna fit me for sure. It's basically gray sleeves with some unicorns on it. I think this is gonna look so cute on me. Look, guys, look how cute this is. You know, it's so cute, and I cannot wait to wear it. And it does have the bottom to fit, or it does have the bottom to match. Okay, so these are the leggings. Again, I got everything in a size 20. Alright, so you guys are gonna see pictures. This is the bottoms. As you guys can see, it does come like all the way up here, which I like. I think it's cute. I don't really care for that it's showing my girdle, but it's cute. I like it. Cute little two-piece. If I want, I could wear it like this. Alright, at least I know my size now. When it comes to like certain things or Pretty Little Thing, I'm a size 18. And as far as the dresses, I'm probably gonna need to, I don't even know, like I don't know if I should size up, size down, but yeah guys, let me try on the last piece. It is a button-up top. I do have my girdle on, but it is a button-up top, and I seen the girl wear like this and I thought it was so cute. Of course I have to button this. Guys, this video is all over the place, but it's the first impressions and it's very raw, not sponsored. I bought everything, so hey, take it or leave it. So yeah, the girl wore it. I will leave the pictures for reference, but the girl had wore it off the shoulder, and I was gonna wear that with some jeans and some heels, and I thought that was cute. So like I said, it is a button down, but she had tied it like this and it was just so sexy and so grown and sexy. Like I just thought that was so bomb. So I was like, I needed that in my life, okay? So yeah, this is the last piece I got. I was gonna wear this with some jeans, so maybe some fashionable jeans that I already have, or I was gonna go get some from Charlotte Russe. So yeah, like this is it. I thought it was just so pretty. Like the print is basically cheetah print, but it's like bomb as fuck, like, you know. So everything that I have, guys, I will leave in the description box, so just refer to that. Oh my god, guys, I feel like my hair is sticking up, like Jesus. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this top again in a size 20. So they had a 40% sale, so for all of these items I paid $100, and that's including 2-day shipping. So yes guys, before 2-day shipping it was only $85 with the 40% off. But yeah, this is the top. This is how it looks. It's, you know, a nice size. It's so pretty, and it's silk too, guys. Just look at that detail. Okay, like I'm pretty happy with most of the stuff. I should have known that the gray was gonna kind of show my girdle, so I kind of don't like that. And as far as this dress, and then I think it's stupid that they have these stupid things on here. I mean, I guess, but basically guys, when you get your stuff from Pretty Little Thing, don't cut these little tags off if you plan on sending it back. Make sure it fits you first. Make sure you like it first before you cut these off, because they will not accept it, so it'll be a waste. But yeah, we're gonna see about this dress. I might have to still wear it because, like I said, I have no other options. So I give them a 10 for shipping. I give them a 10 for customer service. I give them a 10 for quality. They are true to size, but well, I don't know if I should say they're true to size, being that it does run a little bit bigger. Because the size 20, it don't fit that big on me. So I like that they have options for you to, you know, size up, size down. So I know for sure that I'm a size 18 in Pretty Little Thing, especially their leggings, their 2-piece sets, stuff like that. But overall, I'm happy, and I can't wait to like fully wear them and go outside and wear them, take my pictures and stuff like that. So I'm excited. But yeah guys, I just wanted to show you my Pretty Little Thing, first Pretty Little Thing, and definitely not the last Pretty Little Thing try on haul, a little mini try on haul. Thank you for rocking with me. Okay, thank you for rocking with me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know which is your favorite outfit. Let me know if you have it already and all that. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.